Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video I'll talk about the Sandbox Sand and give you update about targets, levels and all the technical stuff that you have been looking for. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And let me know in the comment box your favorite altcoin and I'll try to analyze that for you. Alright, let's start this by looking at the 4-hour chart of the Sandbox. Today Sandbox went up significantly, around 10% if I am not mistaken. Yes, around 10-12%. And let me extend these resistance support boxes to the current frame like this. Alright, so we were trading in this channel on the 4-hour time frame of the Sandbox pair and it broke to the upside, and the technical target of this falling channel would be like this. So technically we have achieved the target, very close to achieve the target, and right now we are also facing the resistance on the 4-hour time frame, which is around 6.5 and $7 range. As you can see, this is a nice support resistance area. As you can see, first touch, second touch and third touch, fourth touch, 4 swing points are laying around this point at around 6.5 and $7 range. And if I zoom in to the current price level, and you can see the price is being rejected at this box. So be very careful guys, price can come back to this support box or this support box very easily if Bitcoin started to dump, because we have achieved the target of this triangle here and this whole channel target we have achieved. So lots of people will be taking profits at this level, so be very careful in the Sandbox right now and do not initiate any new position, in my opinion, because those people who are buying at this level at around $4 and $5 range will be taking the profits here because of the resistance, obvious resistance, and target being hit here, 2 targets. I hope you guys like this quick video analysis of Sandbox. If you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.